Hello and welcome to Okuma's HOWTO. My name is Jochen Onra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes in Okuma. And today I'm going to show you how to set up your work environment for our collision avoidance system. We change to our CAS setup screen. I start with an empty spindle nose and I first add a chuck, which I find here in the database. So it's a P215 chuck, which is automatically set to the spindle nose. Next step is I need some jaws, which I can also read from the database, which I prepared. And then I need a blank part from our database. Now we see the orientation of the blank part is not correct. And we have to rotate it, which I'm gonna do now. And then I just align it with the 0 point of our chuck. So then the part is correctly in the chuck. And then the last thing is we need our center, which we have in the machine, which is here. And then I have the complete spindle setup, which I'm going to transfer to our collision avoidance system. And after that, I can see the complete setup on the screen, the same as it is in the machine. The setup of the CAS system just takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of production time when it prevents a heavy crash, which will cost you a lot of downtime. Thanks for watching our video today. Check our other videos on our channels. If you have further questions or you need information, you can contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.